and welcome back.
So today we are having some interesting challenge. We are back to our college days.
I am excited to know what is that game all about.
You heard about beer? You know.
I
know that you know
that,
beer.
no doubt.
Okay. And you know how ping pong?
Yeah, I used to play ping pong.
This is what it is.
Table tennis, you mean?
You.
Right.
So this is a mixture of both.
What do you mean by mixture of both?
Mixture
you mean beer
means,
and a kind of.
No, beer we are not using here. We are using the salt water here. Salt
Okay.
water and water. We are having 10 glasses here. Out of which 5 are having plain water, 5 are having salt water. Even I don't know, nobody knows. They are kept randomly.
Okay, so it's not like this is salt,
No,
this is
nothing,
plain, this
nothing
is
like
salt,
that.
this
No,
is
nothing.
plain.
No.
So it's a kind of mix,
It's a
like
mix.
randomly. Okay. So what is
And
this challenge
we are
now?
having these two pretty balls.
Mhm.
So what we have to do is, one of us will throw the ball, means pong,
Mhm.
okay, and pop out the ball, and the ball, whichever glass the
Whichever
ball
glass.
will go,
Mhm.
then the other one has to drink.
Yeah.
Like if you are throwing it, I will be drinking it, and this is my luck that it might be plain water or it might be
Oh my god, salty water.
Yes.
Oh
it
my
can
god,
be.
it would have been better if it is
Bitter.
be-
Not
it,
bitter.
it would have been better if it is real beer. That's what I'm
That's
saying.
why it is not there actually. That's why we have kept salt water because
Salty
we will not
water.
love it. Even I won't love it.
Okay.
And plain water is like okay, but it's just completely up to luck. And whoever is drinking more glasses is the
Winner.
loser. Because in this whose throw is means
Who is more accurate in throwing,
yes.
he will get the more opportunity for the opponent. Okay, so
The other one has to actually
though
face that.
I played this ping pong
You
quite
might
long
have
time
played
back.
that game pitu
Ah.
and putting the nishana and all
Yeah,
that, right?
in my childhood, even in
Yes,
college
yes.
days, I used to play that game pittu. So
So this
I was
is
very
like,
good at that time, but
no, even now you are very good. I know in
let's
pointing something, throwing something.
let's try our luck today. My luck today.
Yes, sure. Let's
So
start.
today, ladies first, and I will give you an opportunity. You need to make sure that your back should touch the sofa set.
Is
Make
it?
sure, yeah. Otherwise, it's.
So you
it's
know one of the rule of the game.
No, this is not the rule. This is I am suggesting because we need to maintain the distance as far as possible.
Okay. This is how it should be.
It should be like this.
Okay. So I have to start.
Yeah.
So let's start. I'm throwing. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
What do you mean by 3?
I'll be doing it.
No,
I'll be doing
you
it.
are doing practice. You mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I'm trying to.
You are not shooting a gun.
Whatever. It's like a gun when it will be coming to your mouth. But you have to know it is a salt water or it is a gun.
Yeah.
It's bitter than gun.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, and go.
Yeah. Now it's my turn. Let me try. Ah, my bad luck. Yeah. Now your turn.
So it's my turn. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ah.
Oops.
Let me try.
1, 2, 3. Tell at least 1, 2, 3.
You are cheating.
What
Your
I
back
mean?
should touch.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, and.
No. Ah.
Now you have to drink it.
No.
Anyways,
This
you have
is.
done it. That's
Okay. I don't know.
It's gone.
I don't know
It went
whether
from my side.
I don't know whether it's water or salt water. Let me
You
try
will
my
come to
luck.
know. Don't see it. You have to drink it in one shot. One shot. It's a shot. Done. Salt water?
It's really difficult to drink. Really difficult.
Is it?
But anyhow, it was.
I pray that you never throw any ball in the class. So, this is done.
Okay.
1, 2,
You are a lucky lady today.
Yes, I am.
No, your turn.
Because you only disturbed that ball actually in the answer. So.
Yes. Now I will make it sure.
1, 2, and
Yes. I can still feel the bitterness of this salt.
I think it is a salt water.
Plain water? Salty water? But you like salt, isn't it? You know,
Don't tell me.
I was always under that impression that
I
you
love
like this. Yeah.
No.
Then today I come
Not
to
too much
Then
energy
today I
water.
come to know that you're not that fond of salt, right?
Salt?
Okay.
What do you mean? I didn't
Again my
follow
turn.
something else. No, it's my turn now. So 1, 2, and
It seems
my throw has improved.
It seems you played very good in ping pong. I don't know.
Let me see. I can't make out. I think it's a salt water. It's a salt
If
water.
it is salt water, I may pick.
Means you can in one shot. Done. It was a salt water. I knew. So now we have drank actually 3 salt waters. Only 2 are left. We both are safe. Why are we doing it?
Now it's my turn. It's my turn.
1, 2, and
Yes, baby,
I don't
yes.
think it is salt water.
Then you are lucky.
It is, I think so.
It's plain water, isn't it?
It's plain water.
Today it's your day. It seems it's
No, I have drank one this salt water also. Okay.
Okay.
So now my turn.
Now your turn.
Should we put the glasses together?
Yeah. That will help actually. Okay. Fine.
I think. Shit.
Ma'am, you are in a rush.
No, I'm.
Okay. Now you want to drink salt?
Why should I drink salt?
Let me try my luck this time.
Yes, please. Absolutely.
Yes, got it. Oh my god.
It's again no.
Oh my god. Luck is really favoring you today. Yes.
So now 2 are left.
Okay.
Still 2 are left.
Okay.
So 1, 2, and
Yes.
so you felt that ball is better. 1, 2, and shit.
Yes. Ready?
1, 2, and go.
Ah. Oh. Your turn?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you make any twist in this?
Sure. Any suggestions are always welcome.
Okay, so what can we do? I think whatever is going is fine. This was one, two,
This was a twist.
go. Shit.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Though I'm good in throwing, but you see, your luck is still favoring.
How do you know it's favoring? It's a salt water or plain water? I'm not sure.
See,
this
out of
time.
4, I guess I got 3 or 4 attempts. Out of 4 attempts, you got only 1 salty water and then 3 plain water. So let's see what's there. Plain water. Yes, it's plain water. Salty water. Yes, yes, yes.
It's a plain water.
That's a cheat. That's a cheat.
It's not a cheat. I didn't do anything. I told you the truth.
Okay, let's again rearrange this. Okay.
So my turn.
It's your turn. Yeah.
1, 2, and go.
I pray good.
You and I do for you.
Okay. Will you do me a favor?
No.
You must be tired.
I
You must
won't.
be tired of drinking water. Why don't you try something like this?
No. I am already full with water. I don't want to drink anymore. And that was salty water.
I am feeling like I will faint.
No, you won't. 1, 2, go. It should be a shot. It should be a shot. Awesome.
What awesome.
It's awesome.
What awesome.
You don't like the salt water?
Is there a side effect of drinking too much of salt?
Yes.
What?
We can vomit. We can vomit anywhere. There, anywhere.
No, I will not do that.
You might.
Now only
I
one,
don't think
only
you
one.
are, you are not relaxed at all.
No, only one glass is remaining, right?
Yes.
Okay. At least this.
It's a plain water. Yeah.
I can share this if you want.
Yes, you can. But then you have
But
to
if
drink
it
that
is
also.
salt, then you have to.
You have to drink that also.
No, okay. Again. Oh my god.
Plain water.
Okay, now it's your turn.
1, 2, and no.
Yes.
1, 2, and no.
You know,
bubbles.
during
No
college
bubbles.
days or during childhood, I was the hero of my team. So whenever the team was
Throwing
in
something.
whenever
Throwing flowers to the girls.
when the team was in a critical situation,
Or
they
throwing the
usually
kisses.
I cannot tell anything at this moment, but
Why not?
no.
Me, I can see
I'll
that
tell you that story
your
later.
throw is very nice actually.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Shit. What's in the throat?
This is plain water or salty water?
This.
At least this.
You want
At
to
least
fight
this.
for it?
At least this. I don't.
1, 2, and
Very good. Very good.
very poor throw.
Yes. It's really
It's a
it's a
miss.
miss now. Though it was very good attempt actually.
Actually.
If you try, I think I will definitely, certainly, in fact, win this thing.
No,
Okay.
you have to drink this actually. No. 1, 2, and how's it happening?
Oh, so much of trickiness, right? You do one thing, you hold this. Then I would be able to.
Concentrate.
Yes.
Your concentration is getting disturbed.
Yes.
Yes. Very good attempt. 1, 2. Yes!
Ah, no, not again. you share it?
No. I
Are
don't
you really
I
serious?
drink lot of water.
Are you really serious that I should drink this?
Yes, I am. You have to
Will
drink
there be any rebate for me?
Rebate? What do you mean by rebate? No, one shot. One last shot.
Okay, you please start counting.
1, 2, shot me. Dan, ish. No, that's a myth. Why did you?
I never thought that you will put the last ball inside this glass. I was damn sure that
you
I
are
will
going to
definitely win this.
No.
It's really,
It's my day.
it's your day today.
It's my day.
It's really your day.
It is not always like you always win like that one and that one and that one. No, no.
Really,
no.
really,
It is my
really,
day. I
really.
won.
Guys, it was quite an interesting challenge, and then
Actually, this was because he loved salt water and
I
he
never
felt,
loved-
he
I
felt
never
that
loved
it is
salt
beer.
water.
He felt that it is beer and that is why he was drinking it with so, he wanted to drink it actually.
and I believe this must have been better than last challenges. And if please do subscribe and like our other earlier videos at the below link.
Yeah, at the below
And
link.
then,
You can like and subscribe at the below link.
And keep watching and enjoy. There are many more videos to come. And have a nice day. Thank you.